Hi. Oh my God, babe! Hi. Magre-reply pa lang sana ako. Ang ganda here. Wala na akong makeup. Hi, Snow. Yeah, sabi ko sila. They are already sleeping. Look at this. Yeah. Good morning, Snow. Snow, it's evening here. It's evening here in the Philippines. Hindi nila kaya ako sabayan. Aga gising. No, it's already, it's 2:47 a.m. here. And I'm not sleeping yet. I don't want to sleep. My money is money. I mean, wala na akong money. My God. Yeah, I'm in the hotel. You can sleep? No. I just don't want to sleep. That's why I am still awake right now. Because the view here is so beautiful. Look at this. Do you see that? Right? It's so beautiful. And you can step. And I can step along. Ano nga English nun? Oh my God, wala pa akong makeup. Okay lang yun, guys. Where Manila? Alabang. Why? Alam niyo ba, wala akong water. I need water. Nakatakot here. But I'm strong. I'm brave. I know. I know. Pero dito talaga, nakakatakot talaga yung view. What? Wait a minute. What did you say? Neuchatel Bellevue? No! Secret. Pakupunta ka eh. Bigla ka pumunta, makita kita dito sa may sa may harap ng namin. Wala. May kumakatok. Pero I don't care. Bahala sa dyan. Bahala kayo dyan, mga malto kayo. Basta ako dito kumakain ako. Si May nakat... Ah? Ano daw? Basta. Hindi ko kilala yun. Wala kaming water and then isa yung iniinom ko. Ay, ito yung iniinom ko. Ito yung kinakain ko tapos wala kaming water. Lalo akong umhaw yun. Hoy! Huwag ka magkwento ng ganyan. Gosh ka. So, dapat enjoy the moment tayo dito, guys. I forgot kasi na Isarado yung, yeah. Tingnan niyo, ang respeto ng mga tao here. Uy, Parly, look at this. Ay, hindi niyo ata kita. Kahit na walang mga sasakyan, walang mga cars, nag-i-stop sila. Basta red light. Ayun. Hindi na ako makapag-backprint, guys. Ito talaga yung pinaka-dream ko. Makatulog tabi neta. This is my dream. Ano? Ano may selfie kasi sa kalsada? Grabe yung mukha ko, guys. So, ang dami niyang perfect. Iba selfie sa okay. Hello, may mga tao pang naglalakad dun. Ay, wala pala. Tambay lang. Okay. Maasim na, Roy. Alam mo, asim, kaka-shower ko lang. Hindi mo ba nahalatang kaka-shower lang? Okay. Bye, Snow. Okay. Very good. Talaga ba, Parly? Talaga ba, Parly? Naganda mo din. Andito ba si Meet? Meet, are you still here? More guy, hello. Oh my God, umalis na si Meet. Guys, it. And guy. Poor guy, hello. Where are you from, poor guy? Snow, tatambay mo lang ba yung account mo here? Dapat talaga nag-makeup ako before mag-live. Kasi kapag nag-makeup ako baka magtanggal na naman ako ng nakakatamad tanggal. Hey guys. Hi Mark. Parly, bye-bye na. Bye-bye Parly. Kapag pala nag-live ako, mas inaantok ako guys. Kapag naka-live ako, inaantok ako. Tutulog ka na, Parly. Hi guys. Welcome to my live. Please follow me.